This is what we're going to be painting. It's Arran in the west of Scotland, and in a minute or two I'm going to be showing you how to paint just a loose tree and some little boats in the distance with reflections. Hope you like it. So now I'm about to start the small trees, and I'll be doing a few of them right along the coastline there. Just in with a rigger brush to begin with, and finishing off with a wee palette knife, some scrapes of a viridian green, alizarin crimson and tallow blue all mixed together, keeping it very, very, very loose. Boats are a simple little sclaf with some white paint, or red if they're red, bit of black underneath, and I'll scrape in a reflection and a mast, all very, very loose to go with the rest of the painting. And we're now going into the finished painting. It's so brilliant, this part of the work. Hope you like it. Arran in the west of Scotland, just outside my window. Thanks for watching.